Hello everyone, Jeff and Jay here with Jaysbigadventure, and today, because it is snowing sideways, we are going to work on some trim pieces on the M3 because we can take those off and take them inside. What we're going to do today is take these trim pieces off and cover them in carbon fiber. I've already removed this piece, and to get this off of here, all you do is get under here with a screwdriver or a trim removal tool if you have it, and just gently pry out, and there are these posts that pull out of these clips. We're then going to take this piece off and this piece for practice, because this is the one that's damaged, but it is a multiple compound curve in all three axes, and so I want to have a little bit of practice before I attempt that. But Jay's already helped get this piece off, and now we're going to go inside. So we've got the trim piece off, and these are these little posts that I told you about, and they just slide right into these grooves here. And so they just clip in there. There's one there, there's one there, and there's one here, and there's one here. But they are the ones that go into those orange clips inside. This piece is relatively clean. I did clean it with some alcohol, and even though I wiped it down carefully, you can still see the smudges where I still got additional oils and dirt off. And I bought this carbon fiber trim for another project, and I thought I was getting a couple of feet of it. I did. I got 5 feet of this, so I've got plenty of it to work with. What I'm going to do is just wrap this piece to cover it, and then we're working up towards that door panel. We'll see how it goes. Ready, Jay? Let's do it. What I've done here is just cut out a piece that's going to be large enough for me to work with, and then we're going to peel the backing off and lay this on and then smooth it out and use a hairdryer to make it stick. But I don't know if you can see, but this carbon fiber is actually an amazingly good reproduction. It's this whole roll was only like 20 bucks, and it's 5 feet long. But we're going to wrap it and see what it looks like. Okay, all I'm going to do is see if I can peel this off of here. I think we're going to need a little bit of heat from a hairdryer to make this flex enough to make it work. Okay, let's give this another try. And I'll work on this for a little bit, and we'll see what the finished product looks like. And the heat really does help. of stretching and fiddling. Looks pretty good. Good job, Jay. Well, I can't complain about the results. Actually turned out pretty nice. And Jay was a big help. Next project, the door.